you even from LA if you don't go to a beach city and eat avocado toast? It's very cliche, but it's very real. Wait a minute. Let's bring it back. Let's start again. Where are my manners? Hello, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are not new to my channel and you're coming back, welcome back. My name is N.HARV, aka N.HARV, the name of my business. I'm a book editor, a doctoral student, and a traveling writer. So a lot of you are here because of my writing or traveling vlogs, but my ultimate goal is to help educators and leaders organize your expertise into nonfiction, informational books. But I like to have fun too. So, you get all of me, but I show it in a very strategic way, succinct way, I hope. So yeah, this weekly vlog is starting off with me heading to an Urban League event. Yes, my first Urban League event. I am tired. If you can see, my eyes are red and puffy, but I said, if I don't leave now, I'll never get out the house because I just worked a full day today, but I came home to do some more work, and I'm going to be intentional about my socializing this year. And I'm going to hold true to that. So I'm going to a networking. It's not a mixer. It's actually a workshop of sorts. I'll let you guys see when I get there. All right, I made it. We are downtown DC, I believe. Martin Luther King Martin Luther King Library. I've never been here before, so I'm excited to view the library and be a part of the event. I love this space. It is beautiful.
Do you want some more? Are you good?
DC's official music.
That's called response.
All of these giants in the go-go industry. Go-go represents DC, represents people born here in a way that I think. Yes!
Yeah, it looks nice.
It is really nice.
For some reason, couldn't take on the scholarship process, so I became the scholarship coordinator, and then became the community service programs chair for a couple years, and then started and became the civic engagement chair for a couple years, and then became a member.
Let me tell you something. This view right here will never get old. I am this close to the Capitol building where the decisions are made. Policy is happening. I thought living in LA, influence was where it was.
At the light, use the right 2 lanes to turn onto 9th Street Northwest.
DC is the influencer of all influencers. This is where the real... Ooh, today was a struggle. It's gloomy, it's rainy in DC, but I am committed to showing up in person on Sundays to chapel.
I will know you have stepped into the responsibility of being the Mecca when I try to pull around the corner here and I can't make it onto campus.
So chapel is over. It's not this cold. I'm just dramatic. That's why I have on my hood. But since I'm on campus, I'm like, let me go to the Founders Library and do a little work. I don't know that it's open, but I'm gonna try because I don't want to go home and get comfortable and start doing everything else. So let's do some work while we are on campus. It's looking closed. Okay, it was dark inside and I'm like, no thank you. So we're gonna try the Founders, no, what is this? The undergrad library. Ooh, excuse me. So the Founders Library is closed right now. And then I'm at the undergrad library and it is closed. I see that it opens at 1:30 on the weekends, or at least on Sundays, which is good to know. But I am going to just meet my cohort sister somewhere else and yeah, get going now because it's starting to rain and I don't want to be out in this rain and I'm already sleepy. So I need to get going now to build momentum. Otherwise, I'm going back home. Last thing before my glasses are covered in water because it's starting to rain. When people ask me, like, are you still enjoying your Howard experience? I'm like, yes. This was my dream school. Ever since, not undergrad. Undergrad, my dream school was UCLA because I'm an LA native. Even though I got into Spelman, and I wish I would have gone to Spelman or just experienced an HBCU in undergrad, but you know, the past is the past. I'm grateful for my PWI experience. Love UCR, but right now I am very, 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 very much so still in like a I love it here phase. I don't think it will, honestly, I don't think it will go away. There are pros and cons, like there are pros and cons to every school, but I am somewhat active on campus, you know, to be an older student. I'll be 39 soon. So you know, I'm going back to school later, right? Later in life. I forget what they call my demographic of adults who go back to school in their late 30s or what have you. But anyway, happy Sunday, happy Super Bowl Sunday. I'm about to go study and not look at the game, but I will chime in and watch Usher perform, and then I'll be back to studying and writing. But yeah, happy Super Bowl Sunday. I'm on my way to study, but I stopped because Tropical Cafe, Smoothie Cafe is over here. We're by the Catholic University of America. But I was like, you know what else is over here? Busboys and Poets. And they have bread pudding. I'm gonna cry if it's not vegan, but I'm gonna get that. As a snack. I really want to go in here and see what kind of books they have, but I won't. I'm gonna get a snack, get my bread pudding, and then my acai bowl, because I don't know what else to eat. The vegan diet is so, I just don't get it yet. I'll learn it. I love it in here. Oh wow, look. Lovey's book, Lovey Ajayi Jones, Rising Troublemaker. Shout out to Lovey. Ooh, this is cool. Oh, hey VP, fellow Bison. I see you, Miss Abrams. Boom. Bread pudding here. Getting the bowl, and then I'm really heading to the library, y'all. At Ronald Reagan, heading to LA. I miss home, y'all. I am so excited. Here we go. Welcome home, baby. I'm so tired, but I'm happy I'm happy that I'm here. Very tired. So tired. But I'm home. I am home. I'm gonna record you. Hi, Mama. You trying to do what?
I'm trying to take a video of everything.
Me as I'm recording you? You a vlogger?
I'm a vlogger.
Oh, this hotel is, and how it's like my own little personal cafe set up right here. Have my own space, my essentials, and I just hopped off a meeting from work here. I watched a little bit of news, not a lot, and just had a nice hour of solitude. So I love hotels like this. Happy productivity day to all of my writers out there. My mom and my auntie want breadsticks and salad. So of course, first stop in LA. Olive Garden. Get it, girl. Oh. I forgot my AirPods, so hopefully you guys can hear me over the wind, but I made it to the beach. living my LA life. Those who may not know what Manhattan Beach looks like, that's like the village over there. Then you can walk along. I don't know, I guess that would be the boardwalk maybe, or maybe this is the boardwalk. I don't know. I don't know beach lingo. I know that this little pier, oh, okay, this is the pier, is, you know, very basic, not very appealing like other beaches in Los Angeles County, but I don't know, I love it the most. Why is the caution tape here? What happened? Ooh, I missed this. Fun fact about me, I'm not really a beach babe. Yes, I was born and raised in LA. But when I would go to the beach, it would be to think and to clear my head. Like my best thinking, my best ideas. I'm giving y'all the inside scoop. My best ideas were gathered, or they came from me walking alongside the water. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the crashing of the waves, or just hearing like the calmness right now in the water. Whatever it is, I can't really tell you what that thing may be, but there's something that sparks my creativity when I am at the beach, particularly near water, but specifically at a beach. And this is my favorite beach. My favorite beach in LA County. I think the waves are coming now. Let's see how high they'll be. Here we go, here we go. That's about maybe a 6 out of 10. Ooh, this is new. I don't remember this, or at least I don't remember it being opened or remodeled. Okay, Manhattan. Yeah, there we go. I know what it's called now. This is not the boardwalk. This is called the Strand. Okay, learn something new every day. When I was younger, another fun fact that no one asked about, I used to, you know, look at these homes like, I'll never be able to afford such a nice house that's right by the beach. I'm so grateful just for a mindset shift. Now, while I can't afford it still, I don't have that thinking per se. My thinking now is I'm not very far off. It's not a never type of situation. It's like I can't afford it yet. I'll get there if I choose to live by the beach. I have options. I love neighborhoods that have the sidewalk library. Take a book, leave a book. Summer 2017. Can y'all see that? Did somebody leave their dissertation? If you're ever in the Manhattan Beach area and you're looking for like good breakfast, I think they serve breakfast here, or just like a good, you know, little eatery that serves mostly American style cuisine, I believe. The Kettle is very popular in Manhattan Beach. I want to say I've been there like twice. Okay, Erica swears by this place, so let's see what kind of snacks they have in here.
Dates, and then the other one is coconut.
Okay. You found some vegan snacks.
I'm not sure about that.
Okay, y'all. Successful. Mission accomplished. Oh, but I want a crepe. I want a crepe. Oh, I want an acai bowl. I want everything. Okay, thank you. Right here?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, you know what? Here we go. Boom. Are you even from LA if you don't go to a beach city and eat avocado toast? It's very cliche, but it's very real. This looks so good. This must be the place. I did a little walking up Manhattan. This is Manhattan Village. And look, my old stomping grounds. I don't know how to pronounce it as many times as I've been. Is it Verve or Verve coffee? and lemonade. I used to love lemonade. Their lemonade drinks, of course, were good, but their chicken salad was also one of my fan faves. I miss this neighborhood. Back at the hotel, as you can see, I'm in the fitness center. I have it all to myself. I just came back from the beach. I'm gonna do a hot 20 minutes before I get ready to meet my mom, or actually go with her to the event space and help set up for tomorrow's event. I'm excited for her. And then we're gonna close out this Friday by getting rest for the big day tomorrow. Woo! Okay, that's it. Stop.
And passionate survivors and advocates for a cause to touch us all. My desire to organize this event was fueled by my own testimony. I'm a two-time cancer survivor.
Something really quick that Teacher Harvey said. And she said, we worked on the book together. So those of you who know her, she had worked on this book and then told me this is what you're going to do.
Post Valentine's Day with the DC baddie. Hey!
I thought you were taking a picture.
Oh, you did. I'm so
what
sorry.
Up, LA?
Hey.
It's good to be back. LA was fun, but it's nice to be home, my new home. Yes, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye. What's up, y'all? Apparently, I am a liar. I said in the last clip that will be the end of the vlog, but I actually have another engagement this week. We are going on campus, the GSAC community and I. GSAC is the Graduate Student Advisory Council. We are going to campus, or heading to campus, because there is a meeting with the dean for the School of Education. The dean, this is the dean of the School of Education. They're going to chat, share some student grievances, work on outcomes, and just make sure that the department as a whole is, beneficial to students, faculty, and staff. So we're heading to campus now, but I'm grabbing a bite to eat first. And I'm like, what better way to close out this Life of a Doctoral Student vlog than to close it out on campus? Ooh, that was almost an accident. Yeah, so I'll let you guys know when I'm at campus. I'll just show you, and we'll go from there. Bye. I've never seen this before. Okay, the meeting is over, but where is our GSAC president? Okay. Ooh, that's lightning? Speaking of light, I never noticed that. Is that a light tower? I don't know what that is at the top of Douglas Hall. But let me hurry up and get inside. The water is watering. Alrighty, I found an empty classroom. Let me park my stuff. Oh, jeez, I can't do two things at once. And get started. Okay, as you can see, I am still on campus. It is late, but there are other students here, so I am safe. I'm good. My group project, oh, I don't like the lighting that way. My group project, can you guys see me? Jeez, here we go. My meeting went great, but I need to do more work on my part. So while it's fresh in my brain, I may go home and complete my tasks and then, call it a night, or I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I know for sure that I'm going to close out this vlog. And if you like these type of behind the scenes day in my life vlogs, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Share them with your friends, your college friends, your doctoral student friends. Let's support one another and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subbies by, let's just say, March the 10th. Julia, if you're watching, that's for you. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.